How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 upper backrest. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and 2 zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the left shoulder air bladder. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the front left side of the upper backrest. Unzip the right shoulder air bladder, then remove the screw and washer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 visible screws that secure the back cover. Detach the top of the fabric panel to expose the 5th back cover screw, then remove the screw. Remove the back cover. Cut the zip tie that secures the left speaker cables, then disconnect the connectors. Cut the zip tie that secures the right speaker cables, then disconnect the connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the rear left side of the upper backrest. Remove the same screw and washer on the right side. Remove the upper backrest from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Note the 4 horseshoe brackets on the new upper backrest. Note the 4 posts on the chair. Slide the upper backrest horseshoe brackets over the posts, guiding the upper backrest from the rear. Confirm that all 4 posts are installed in the brackets. Replace the screw and washer to secure the rear left side of the upper backrest. Replace the same screw and washer on the right side. Connect the left speaker connectors, then coil the excess cable and use a new zip tie to secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Connect the right speaker connectors, then coil the excess cable and use a new zip tie to secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Note the 3 posts on the top of the back cover and the 2 tabs on the side. Note the corresponding sockets on the top of the chair and the 2 slots on the side. Aligning the back cover posts with the sockets and the back cover tabs with the slots, press the back cover into position. Replace the 4 upper screws to secure the back cover. Use your finger to locate the lower screw hole, then replace the lower screw to finish securing the back cover. Fold the top of the fabric panel over to expose the hook and loop fasteners, then attach the top of the panel to the hook and loop fastener strip on the chair. Replace the screw and washer to secure the front left of the upper backrest, then close the air bladder zipper. Replace the screw and washer to secure the front right of the upper backrest, then close the air bladder zipper. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.